Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily display collection information from a database using the getCollectionInfos method. So through this you can get an array of document displaying your collection info, that is all the collections of a database. If you want to list it in an array, use the getCollectionInfos method. With that it will also give the information about the collection, that is whether it is indexed or not. So let's see. At first, let's see the databases we have. Show DBs command. Our database is demo. Let's enter it using the use command. Press enter. Now we are inside the demo database, our database. Let's see all the collections using the show collections command. Press enter. So we have three collections: client, department, and employee. Now let's say we need to see the information about the collections using the get collection infos method. For that, since we have entered a database demo, we just need to write db dot get collection infos brackets. Now press enter. It will display an array of documents with all the information about our collections. So we have three collections here. Press enter. On pressing enter, here it is, the collection info. The first collection is client, as you can see here, client. The second is department and third is employee. Let's go below. This is an array: department collection, employee collection, and whether it is indexed or not, the same is visible with the name and options section and the type, which is a collection. So guys, in this video we saw how we can display all the information about collections from a database. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.